Understanding received opinion, simplified for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where learning English is made easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, received opinion. This phrase might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it completely and be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Received opinion refers to beliefs or views that are widely accepted or agreed upon without being questioned or critically examined. These are the kind of ideas that people believe simply because they've heard them so often and they seem to be generally accepted by society. Think of it as the common wisdom that most people just assume is true. Let's look at some examples to clarify this. A common received opinion might be that studying hard guarantees success. While this might be true in many cases, it's not always the case for everyone. Another example could be the belief that eating carrots improves your eyesight. This is a widely held view, but it's more of a simple health myth than a scientifically proven fact. It's important to question received opinions because they're not always based on facts or thorough understanding. Blindly following these can limit our critical thinking and prevent us from exploring alternative viewpoints or truths. By questioning received opinions, we encourage intellectual growth and a deeper understanding of the world around us. You can use this phrase in your conversations to refer to a belief or idea that is commonly accepted but might not be entirely true. For example, while it's a received opinion that multitasking is productive, research suggests otherwise. And there you have it. Received opinion is all about those widely held beliefs that aren't necessarily backed by critical thinking or facts. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently. Remember, questioning and exploring these opinions can lead to a richer understanding of the world. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.